What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the mobile data not working issue in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and open quick settings panel, and here you will see a airplane mode icon. So turn on and off flight mode or airplane mode 2 to 3 times, and after that it will refresh the network settings and the mobile data will start working properly. But if you're still facing the issue, to fix the mobile data, then check your network. So to check if you are having 3 or less than 3 bars of signals, it means your network connection is poor. So move to an area where you can get more than 3 bars of signals, and after getting the signals, good signals, the mobile data issue will be fixed. But after fixing the network, if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down to the end, and here tap on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now tap on reset network settings, and then again tap on this reset network settings option to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. So tap on this option, and after that the mobile data issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the mobile data not working issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.